Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome, and once in the Chrome you have to simply search for the Google Ads, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the first website from here, and then you have to just simply click on the sign in option or the start now option according to your preferences. And then you have to just simply click on the campaigns icon here in the left hand side, and you have to just simply click on the overview option, and here if you just simply click on the new campaign, a new ad campaign will start. And also you can just simply choose your billing method by clicking on the billing option here in the left hand side. All the tools according to needed for the Google Ads are showing here in the left hand side, and here is the goals, that the ad goals that you would like to go for, and you have to just simply click on it to check your goals. And also if you click on the insights and reports, you will get all the reports regarding your campaigns, how it is running and how it is working. You can also go for the admin settings option here in the left hand side. Here you will get all the settings of the profile settings option here. So that's all the settings from the Google Ads. It is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.